We're up early this morning. It was a 3:30 wake up, catching the tide at 4 o'clock, and we were rewarded with seeing our first dolphin on the Varna. So this morning we're going to be sailing off the hook, sailing off the anchor, and going to be teaching Emma how to do it, because as you know, she's learning to sail. Gorgeous morning and the wind's coming off the land, so that's the perfect time to do it. If you haven't got any danger, you're just going to get blown off the land if anything goes wrong. Alright, so we've got the boat hook ready, let's stick it down there. So pull a little bit free out of here, unlocks, brilliant. With our system, we have to actually pull it through there. And that's going to be your job for the moment. We want most of the rope to come back because we know that our chain goes somewhere in that corner. Alright, I'll give this a pull. And now we'll get into the chain. So pull that through, babe. Take the winch handle, pop it across. Okay, and now I'm going to start winching this. You're looking out for the anchor buoy, and you're going to hook it as we get close. Hook a duck, got him. A little pull there. Alright, he's locked up. Everything inside the locker now. Burning line, let's release him. Excellent, he's ready to go. We also need the jib sheets released. I'm going to release that one.
Release it now?
Yep, release that one. And we want to be pulling on this one. Here we go. Remembering always thumbs towards you as you do your wrap. Excellent. And let's pull it towards you, spare her away from the wind. You're going to take the helm? Alright, excellent babe, well done. Got the genoa up and we're heading exactly where we want to go.